How to change Faceit server in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide how you can select your preferred region so you get better connection quality and smoother matches without guessing which settings to change. Start by logging into your Faceit account through the website or app. Once inside, go to your profile settings and look for game settings or matchmaking preferences. This is where server and region choices are managed. Find the section that lists available regions or server locations. Select the region closest to your location or the one that gives you the best connection. Choosing a nearby region usually reduces delay and improves overall gameplay. After selecting your preferred region, save the changes. The platform will now use that preference when placing you into matches. This helps the system prioritize servers that are more stable for you. If multiple regions are available, you can select more than one. This increases the chance of finding matches faster while still keeping connection quality acceptable. In some cases, server selection may also depend on the game queue or match type. Make sure your preferred region is enabled before joining a match so the system recognizes your choice. If you still connect to distant servers, check your internet connection and restart the app or browser. Updating your settings again can also help refresh your preferences. Changing the Faceit server allows you to control where your matches are hosted, which can improve responsiveness and reduce interruptions during play. Once your region is set correctly, future matches are more likely to feel stable and consistent, giving a smoother experience every time you queue.